Okay, so I'm gonna make a video of me sneezing. Sorry, I really don't like that I can like see this. I think it's slightly like lazy, like a little bit, like enough to bother me. That is irrelevant, but it just bothers me. So I. Okay, let me see if I can.
Say it I must. You have the cool, clear eyes of a seeker of wisdom and truth.
If I hit myself in the nose, I'll sneeze, but it'll also hurt. So I'm trying to avoid hitting myself in the nose. Okay.
Chin and the grin of impetuous youth. I believe in you. I believe in you.
It was.
I hear the sound of good solid judgment whenever you talk. Yet there's the bold
Only one. Okay, let me try again.
of a tiger that quickens your walk. I believe in you. I believe in you.
Apparently I can only sneeze once. I usually sneeze a lot more, and I've actually been sneezing all week, and I don't know why. But apparently my sneezes do not want to reveal themselves to the general public. So this is also apparently the climax of the song because it's getting kind of loud. I'm listening to show tunes. Okay. Oh, well, I don't really have anything to talk about. Okay. This is really throwing me off. Because it's like a mirror image. No, wait. No, just kidding. It's like, holy shit, it's confusing me. Because I go to do this and like fix my hair, but it makes it go the other way. Okay, I'm just not gonna look at it. I don't know, I don't really have anything else to talk about. I was just reading this because I have nothing better to do. But, like all week, my last day of school is tomorrow, so. But I've been reading this series. This is the Warriors series, which is this series about cats that live in the woods. And there's actually like 4 series. And I have 3. And this is the 3rd series. And I actually started these books when I was in 4th grade. Like I read the first series in 4th grade. Yeah, I started the first series in 4th grade, and I've just been like rereading it over and over, and I'm getting the 3rd series, and this is the 3rd book of the 3rd series, and I'm almost done, so I need to get the like last 3. There's titties! It's the Worldwide Wicked Treasure Hunt. There's like 3 more books. There's 2 more books, and I have to get them, and I know you guys don't care, but I love these books so much, it's just about cats that live in the woods, and they like interact like people, except they're cat clans, and they're all like enemies, but like they have to work together, so I don't know, but it is, and I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but it's 9:33, I have biology Regents tomorrow. And my mom apparently like thinks I'm gonna fail. I don't know. Like she's like, why aren't you studying for anything? And I'm like, because I don't need to. And she's like, I don't believe that. And I'm like, why? Yeah, she just thinks I'm gonna fail everything. And apparently there was like a review. There was a review today, and I didn't know. And I didn't go, and she was like, why didn't you go to the review? And I was like, what review? Those are probably really nice faces. Okay, I'm gonna post this on my blog now, because I don't have anything else to do with my life. My eyes are really itchy. I'm gonna try to sneeze one more time. Okay.
Oh, Rosemary, have you seen Percy? No, Miss Jones, and I'm so worried about him. So am I. He was a nice boy.
It's not working.
But somebody's head has got a roll.
It will. 1 second. I got this. Yo, brother, I got this. I'm gonna be really upset if there's no sound for this video, because then I'm gonna have to do it again. Sometimes the sound doesn't work on my microphone, and I don't really know why.
No. And the grin of impetuous youth. Just kidding. I believe in you.
I really like this song.
I believe.
In you.
Oh, sneeze.
I'm so glad you're here.
Where have you been?
Thinking.
Why don't you take a little sleep?
Oh my god.
These things.
I don't care what
Sometimes I
happens.
sneeze
What
really
else?
obnoxiously.
I walked out on you once.
You did?
Not leaving you again.
You can't be the one window washer. That's no right.
Okay.
Sitting at home, up there, never knowing if I'd let the
I kind of have to sneeze again.
Now listen to me, Finch.
say goodbye to Rosemary.
I think I'm done.
Rosemary, goodbye. Come along. I'm sorry, Rosemary.
I decided to make a video of
wish
myself
none of this had
sneezing
ever
because I
happened.
almost just took a picture, like, or like, I don't know, something like that. Because I'm a secretary. Just kidding. But these are my glasses. This is what I look like when I wear them. I don't wear them when I take pictures of myself because the thing reflects on them. I what?
This time you are a seasoned executive, hanging on by your fingernails for dear life.
Is that changing your vision at all?
The higher the climb.
Well, I hope it is, so you can, if you have 20/20 vision, this is what I see like. I don't know, I can't, is it changing your vision?
You see, even though we're all part of the cold corporate,
Shit.
deep down underneath
It makes my teeth look really
there
nice.
is flesh and blood. We're brothers. Now you may
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay,
and
I love this song. Just listen to it.
And other men may carry cards as members.
I just want to, never mind, it's not even good because it's not Daniel Radcliffe singing it.
Still
Okay,
others wear a
bye.